Hi, welcome back to my channel. I'm Melissa and I lost over 30 pounds following a low-fat vegan diet. Today I'm going to share the most delicious, creamy, cheesy vegan sauce that you can use on pasta, rice dishes, veggies, and more. It's pretty easy to make. You just need to peel a couple potatoes, carrots, and onion and chop them up and either boil them or steam them for at least 25 minutes. You want them overcooked so that they're super soft. Then blend together with a bit of the water that they steamed in. And optionally, you can add in some unsweetened plant milk like coconut milk. You're going to add in some cannellini beans, which add some plant-based protein, some nutritional yeast for the cheesiness, and then just blend it all together really well. Optionally, you can add a bit of salt as well. You can also store it in the fridge for a couple of days, and when you reheat it on the stovetop, you'll want to add in a little bit of water because it really thickens up when it cools. And that's it. Let me know what you think of this one once you try it. I share a lot of easy low-fat vegan meal ideas on my YouTube channel. So if you're not yet subscribed, be sure to click the subscribe button and follow along. Have a great day, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.